News Live Storm Team.
Well, it was lovely out there today, but certainly on the chilly side, and we have more cold on the way tonight. A few degrees warmer, which means not everybody will be under this frost advisory, but our eastern viewing area under 1 for tonight. That starts after midnight around the 1 a.m. time frame for Bemidji, up toward the Lake of the Woods area and back down toward Wadena, and this stretches eastward. And then there's a freeze situation over for the Arrowhead of Minnesota. So that cold air shifting its way eastward. We're still going to be dealing with it tonight. So if you live in this area, certainly want to protect your plants. And even if you're concerned in other parts of the valley, it doesn't hurt to cover up those plants for some of those low-lying areas where we may still see some patchy frost tonight. Here's a look at our current conditions. 59 degrees in Fargo. We've enjoyed some blue skies, but it's been a cool day with that as our high temperature so far. Wind out of the northeast at 9 miles per hour. So light wind too. So it looks better outside than it feels a little bit when you step out the door. Not quite a great day to be out at the lake. 61 degrees in Fergus Falls, 59 in Detroit Lakes, 55 in Valley City, and 55 right now in Devil's Lake. Here's a look at that wind. Again, it's on the lighter side. We're seeing winds less than 10 miles per hour and generally out of the northeast on average across the region. The great thing is that we don't have to deal with any moisture out there for today. It's been rather quiet on the radar and expanding the view. A few high clouds passing through today, but otherwise we've been on the dry and sunny side. We'll have to expand the view even more to show you what's going on here. Next system off to the west into Montana, and where the active weather is right now is in other parts of the Midwest, down the Mississippi River Valley, and once again down into parts of Texas where they don't need any more rain. For tonight, we're going to see some clear skies and temperatures dipping down into the 40s by 10 o'clock tonight. And looking ahead toward the morning hours, chilly again to start off tomorrow, but not nearly as frigid as this morning. I think most places will be in the upper 30s to some low 40s. Off to the east, that's where we'll be getting closer to the freezing mark, some mid 30s, even some low 30s possible in our eastern viewing area. So just keep that in mind. Still cool, even though our temperatures are going to be a little bit warmer than we saw this morning. Clouds start to push in with our next system approaching. This one only bringing us a slight chance for a little rain and sprinkle activity by 9 a.m. As you're stepping out the door, maybe heading off to church, you'll still need a jacket or at least an extra layer, with temperatures that are going to be in the 40s to low 50s around that time. And then moving ahead toward the lunch hour, some warming. This is warmer than we were at noon today. 59 degrees in Fargo and in Grand Forks. Mostly cloudy skies, especially in the southern valley. Northern valley, we may get to enjoy sunshine for much of the day. And looking ahead toward the evening hours, highs in those low to mid 60s across much of the region. So about 5 degrees warmer than we saw today out there. 64 degrees in Fargo, 65 in Grand Forks. A little more sunshine, but again, southeastern North Dakota, northeastern South Dakota, that's where we'll be under the clouds, and that's where the best bet will be for a isolated sprinkle or a rain shower or two for the evening hours tomorrow night. By 11 o'clock, temperatures making their way back into the upper 40s to some low 50s. I want to look ahead through the week. We've been talking about an active week coming up. This is through next Saturday. We get a break tomorrow, but we have more on the way. The yellow indicates more than an inch of rain, orange 2 inches of rain or more. So more on the way. But look at this beautiful shot this morning. You can see the mist over the lake with that cold air settling in, the lake water a little bit warmer than the atmosphere. And then we see that mist forming and a gorgeous shot of the sun. This is on LaBelle Lake in Lake Park, Minnesota. Great shot, Vanessa. Thank you for sending that to us. For the next 7 days, temperatures will be rising by Monday back to 70 degrees and breezy conditions with partly cloudy skies. And looking ahead to the rest of the week, well, there it is. Rain chances really kick in Tuesday afternoon, and then they continue to round out the week. Temperatures will be warmer, though, so kind of a trade-off going on there.
So a soggy May, and it looks like June is going to get off on the same
Straight
note.
into June, yes, exactly.
Right. Thanks, Lisa. So how do you lay down and relax and break a world record at the same time? Well, we'll show you right after this.